What's up guys, Dorian here, and today I'm going to tell you guys my secret on how I can do any design I want. Today we're going to look at the Bulldog design for a good example. This is the product I use, no longer a secret, but this is going to help you draw any design you want, and then you can use your machine after the drawing. If you don't like what you drew, it just comes off with aftershave. So yeah, this has helped me do so many designs like this hummingbird and flower right here. And it comes with great detail because now I can just rough draft or blueprint my work before actually creating it. So to get started, we're just gonna shorten up the sides. I like to use a 1.5 on hair that's darker like this client right here. You do want your model to have darker hair, or at least I would prefer that the model has darker hair. If they do have blonder hair, I would do like a number 2 and use color enhancements just to darken it up. Now we're gonna get the outline, and that's just gonna help us safely place the design if we do the outline now. And now we can start drawing. So I kind of messed up and I didn't place the teeth here of the bulldog as far out to the side as possible, so I erased it because I thought that the back end, like the back of the dog's head, wasn't gonna fit right, so I erased it. So that's the good thing about this product, that if you start drawing it out and you kind of feel like it's not gonna fit right, that's fine. You can just erase whatever you didn't like. So now I got it real close to the outline, and the back, in my head I'm like measuring everything just by eyeball. And when you're creating your art, you don't have to be exact. This is more of a free-flowing kind of thing. Honestly, for me to explain it to you guys how to do this, it's very hard. But a lot of it comes with practice. And this tool, this product right here, the Hair Design Stencil, it helps guide me. See, I was a good barber before I did any sort of art. Actually, hair designs is the only art I do. So now I have a product that helps guide me and my good barber skills. So that's pretty much the gist of this right here, is that I'm a good barber and I'm not good at just freehanding stuff, especially a bulldog. I would not do this design without stenciling it out first. But with this product, I feel better to do it with my barber skills, because it's like I'm planning it out. I'm planning out the design. That's what this is. I'm blueprinting my design. So right now I'm just getting in on those teeth, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch this for a while and enjoy the little background music, I guess. This is all just a visual take-in right now, so take it in. Alright, so now we can get started on the ear. And yeah, pretty much we finished the hardest part. The hardest part for me was the face. Everything else is easy. The back of the head, this cheek flap thing, whatever this dog has. What do you call that anyways? The cheek flap. What is that? Anyways, well, we're pretty much done with the dog, and now I'm gonna do the collar, which is also very easy. They pretty much just consist of triangles for those spikes, and then a straight line for the collar itself. And that part was very easy. And I will be using my Slimline Pro LIs for this design. I love those trimmers. Those never stop hitting. They never bite. They always chop. They're just great all the way around. They're great on kids, great on adults. These are just hitters. I love these trimmers. These are my favorite for doing designs and just doing work in general. These trimmers are worth it. You guys should get these if you don't already. They're cordless, and if they die, you don't have to keep it on the charging stand. If you want, you can unplug the charging stand and you could just plug it in. You could just use this trimmer as a corded trimmer if you want. You could just plug it in and keep cutting with it, and it'll have a cord. And then you could just unplug it when it's done charging. But for now, I'm just doing the outline of the design, and then I'm gonna bald out everything on the inside. So the only thing that's gonna stay really is everywhere that you see the stencil. All of those dark lines that I drew with the stencil, that's what's gonna stay. And I'm gonna bald out the inside of this design, and that's gonna help give this design a more of a 3D look and effect, in my opinion. And then I'm also gonna fade away and bald from the outside of the bulldog. We'll see that all happening. I'm just gonna let you guys watch it for now, so yeah. Alright, so now I get to brush this bulldog's teeth nice and white, and I'll just keep on brushing them teeth. And pretty much, you know, that's the design is basically done. I'm still gonna shave it, and I'm still gonna fade it a little bit away from the design. But I just want to give you guys a few tips, you know, for those of you that are watching and you're new to doing designs. The best tip I have is to just, you know, look at other barbers and try and imitate what they're doing. That is probably the best thing that you could do. is to try and imitate and learn from those before you. I've done that, and I still do that up to to this day. I still imitate other barbers all the time. So right now I'm putting a bunch of shaving gel on him. This is the Elegance Shave Gel. Works great. And then I'm using shampoo blades, and I have those on my website, detailedbarbers.com. And the blade holder too. The blade holder is dope. I love the blade holder. It just grabs onto the blade. But yeah, I would just really suggest that you guys use shaving gel because it's clear. If you use the foam, like the lather, then you're really not going to be able to see the design while you're shaving. And then you have to back up that shaving process with a good brand of razor blades. So yeah, shampoo blades has been my go-to. Super smooth. I do a lot of face shaves and skin fades with them. So yeah, you guys have to back up your game with good equipment. You know, if you want to be good, you got to get the good stuff. So yeah, shampoo blades, and you can find that on my website if you want. But you could buy it in bulk from shampooblades.com, and that's what I did. I bought like hundreds of boxes from them, and it's like a wholesale purchase. It's like the Costco purchase price for the razor blades. But yeah, they're very dope. We're pretty much done here shaving the whole thing. I'm just gonna shave the Bulldog's mustache and stuff, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, whose ever Bulldog design this is, I'm sorry, but this is like the opposite direction of what I was trying to do with my Bulldog design. Instead of you revealing and leaving lines behind, you just did lines, bald lines. So yeah, pretty much this is it, guys. It's all done. I faded away from it on the sides. Very, very, detailed. And and it's all because of the Hair Design Stencil. The Hair Design Stencil helped me do plenty of designs like this Sonics right here. Honestly, it just helps you blueprint the design before you actually get to making it. And it makes my life so much easier when people come to me with weird requests like this bear. I never thought I'd be doing a bear, but there you go. I never thought I'd be doing like the Bulldog. I've done a bunch of crazy designs like this one right here with the lips. Oh no, this is the hummingbird. The hummingbird is crazy as it is, but yeah, this one alone too with the lips and the flower. It really does help to have a tool to help guide me, and I can execute my good barber school's skills with a helpful tool like this skull right here. The skull's dope. It's pretty old already, but I would have never been able to do it without the stencil. Also, I got blade holders coming. You can pick them out in any color. detailedbarbers.com. Make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that like button. Peace.